Hi guys, so I'm just putting down some gray paint that has a lot of gesso in it, and I'm adding some more gesso just to get like a first layer down to protect my page. Yeah, well, so sorry about that shift there. I just had to turn off a light because there was too much light on the paper and you couldn't see the colors. Okay, so I'm just drying the painting a bit so that when I paint over it, those lines that I made will become part of the texture of the painting. So today I just grabbed 3 bottles of paint and I just decided to go with it. So I'm gonna work with the yellow, the blue, and then I have magenta, I think. Just adding a quick spritz of water and creating a glaze with the paint left on the paintbrush that I was using. So I'm just letting go, guys, and having a ball with that fine liner. I was really annoyed with that yellow spot at the top there. I kept going back and forth and I just couldn't get things to work. So all of a sudden you see me just go crazy there, and that kind of helps me relax and reminds myself that, you know, this isn't something to be planned. I was so scared of that magenta, and I just decided that I need to jump into it, and I can always paint over things. And that is what I mean when I say be fearless. I mean, just do it, because it's only paint, and if there's something you don't like, you can always cover it up. So I'm not liking that white that I painted over the dark blue with, so I'm just going to wipe it away. So this is about where I decide that that yellow just finished the painting off. So I decide to just give it a, make a few more spots with that yellow, and to let things be. So I hope you enjoyed my video again today, guys, and please leave your comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Alright, I'll see you guys. Bye.